Hello there, guys, girls, non-binary people. It's Reed here yet again. And people with us today, as always, we're joined in the back by our sidekick, the Box. We also have Alexa with us today, people. She's somewhere. But we have the Pinata Party Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Fluids are dripping everywhere, people, from this blizzard. As you can tell, I got extra napkins just for it. But it's out of control, people. It's dripping everywhere. We're going to give it a review and see just what it's all about. So as always, guys, remember everything like read the box. Alexa, to review, you got to leave a comment below. If we like it, guys, we might just pick it out and review your request next. Thumbnail, it's dripping everywhere, people. Just like an adult movie. Fluids running everywhere. Woo, woo, woo. Alrighty, guys, let's get right to it. This thing is an absolute mess. Would not recommend getting this in your vehicle. Right? Anyway, Alexa, do you like blizzards?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Oh my goodness. Wow. Whipped cream with confetti cake on top, people. Wow. Let's check out the surprise in the middle. See just what is in the middle. My goodness, people. This is a mess. Absolute delicious. Now, that was almost $5 from Dairy Queen, of course. Now the middle has cake in the middle. No. Wow. Cake. I would look it up on my phone, people, but I really can't do that right now. It's got cake, like confetti cake in the middle. That's what I'm getting. It's got a surprise in the middle, and it's absolutely amazing, people. I mean, oh my goodness. Whipped cream, sprinkles on top, and it's dripping, but my goodness, dripping indeed. Let's see what this is. It's got sprinkles like that in the middle, people. I don't know if you can even see that. But it's got that right in the middle. Focus for me, please. But you can see, that's right there is what is in the middle. Different colors of that right there. Wow. Tastes like little pieces of cake. There's pieces of cake all in the ice cream here, people. And in the middle, you've got those hard pieces of some kind of sweetness. This is unbelievable how good this is. The cake and the ice cream is the best part. Those hard pieces in the middle, they're good. But it's like that confetti cake with in the middle there, like the confetti cake blizzard. It's amazing. Let me look it up on my phone here, people, and I'll tell you exactly what is in the blizzard here. Okay, here we go. The blizzard is essentially a surprise in a cup and mimic the Piñata cake concept. The treat is made with rich confetti cake pieces and pink confetti icing. At the center is filled with confetti cake, white chocolate stars, pink, blue, and white. It's finished off with whipped toppings and a rainbow edible glitter. The offering is available at participating Dairy Queens while supplies last. There you have it. And do I recommend it, people? 100% I recommend it. It's very good. The surprise in the middle goes all the way down, deep inside of the cup, as she would say, goes all the way down. You just take it all the way down the middle and just scoop it out and really enjoy it. Oh yeah, let's enjoy it. Go deep in there, get you some of that. I'm gonna give it 5 stars, people. It's great. You're really gonna enjoy it. Just overall, a great idea from Dairy Queen. Another must-buy Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Just remember what I told you about it. It's gonna be an absolute mess. I mean, it's just how it's gonna be. Mine was overflowing. I'm sure most of them will melt since it's summertime and they're going to overflow in your vehicle. Make sure you have paper towels or you ask for a lot of extra napkins. But other than that, people, you cannot go wrong with the Pinata Party Blizzard. An absolute must-buy from Dairy Queen. And that's going to be the official review, people. Yeah. As always, guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. We do it every day, 365 days a year. Come back, CM Punk, come back. And that's pretty much it, people. Alexa, are you there?
Yes, I'm
here. We didn't even need Alexa for this.
The wake
yeah,
word.
we didn't even need Alexa for this review. No. Alexa, do you like Dairy Queen?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Okay, anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Toodles. It's wonderful. I mean, I'll just be honest with you. Great value, 3 meat pizza. What's the 3 meats? Sauce, mozzarella, bacon. There he is. You ready for your slice of pizza, Archie? Get a small slice. Come here. Here you go. Like it, Archie? It's good. People, I know people say DiGiorno is the best. It's good. I mean, but considering this is only $3 and it's almost as good.